Hello, friends. I'm often asked, what is a cup and handle formation? It's kind of an obscure name, and how do you apply it to charts? Well, you can apply it to any time frame, but we're going to look at an example of the daily chart, and that really is the most powerful time frame for cup and handles, and it's quite simply right here. This is PSLV. This is a silver fund, Sprott Silver, but the price action is giving us this is months, by the way. This is going back to April of last year. So this is almost a long protruded 1 year. There's your cup and there's the handle, right? And there's the fingers. Um, this is a setup that could work. And the idea is the cup and handle usually, hopefully, resolves above this resistance line. Now it could reach this line and it could take a little while and pull back and then it could go, which is the likely case considering it's expended a lot of energy down here. But the point is, what is a cup and handle? This is a visual representation of a great cup and handle setup. And again, it's a long, almost a 1 year setup, literally a 1 year setup here. So it's not an intraday setup. It's a long protruded 1 year time frame. There's your cup and handle. Keep an eye on silver or PSLV if it can break out of that cup and handle formation.